In this video, I will show you how to use ZenBusiness to start your LLC. So I'll show you how you can do this completely for free and also how you can do it paid if you want some extra add-ons. So first you want to head over into the ZenBusiness LLC creation page. In order to do this, you can just click on the link down in the description and that will take you there directly. So after clicking on the link in the description, it will take you to this page. From here, simply enter your preferred business name for your LLC. Now you don't need to enter LLC or limited liability company, just the name of the business that you want. Then click on Start an LLC and they will check for you if that name is available. First, just going to click on Let's Do It right here, so you can see the steps right there, but just click Let's Do It. Then here you will see your business name. Then here pick your formation state, so just click on the drop down, find the state that you are in and just select that right here. For example, I'll just select Texas. Then click Next. Now the state fees do differ per state, but I recommend just picking the state that you are in. Now how much experience do you have running a business? I'll say some and click Next. Now will your business have employees in the first year? Now maybe you don't know this for sure, but just gonna make a guess. I'll say yes from 1 to 5. Because if you do have employees, then you will need to get an EIN number, which is an employer identification number. Now will your business address be different from your home address? I'll select yes. Then how far along is your business? I'll say launching soon. What are your business goals? So you can select side business, primary income, or even the next big thing. I'll just set it to primary income. Then what kind of business are you forming? So that means which industry is it in? So just select any of these. They have quite a few of them right here. For this example, I will say auto dealership. Then do you want to save your progress? So you can save it right now by creating an account. So that basically means you have to give your contact info. So you can do that if you want. I'll just skip this and continue without saving. Now you can appoint your state required registered agent. So you can either appoint ZenBusiness as your registered agent or you can appoint your own registered agent. Now if you use ZenBusiness, you will be charged $199 when your formation is complete and billed yearly thereafter. So appointing ZenBusiness is the easiest way to go, and that is actually what I'm going to do. But if you do that, it will be $199 per year. I think it's worth it, and you need a registered agent, so unless you already have a different one, then I would personally just use ZenBusiness. Now they have a few different packages right here. So starter is the free package. Now you can see Texas is a pretty expensive state in terms of fees. It is $300 filing fees. But in the starter plan, they will file your LLC in 2 to 3 weeks for free, 100% accuracy, and very free compliance. Then in the pro plan, which is the best value as they say right there, you can see this one is $199 per year, where they will file in only 1 to 2 business days. You will get 100% accuracy, worry-free compliance, and on top of that, you will get the operating agreement and employer ID number, which is the EIN, which I talked about earlier. Now, I recommend getting this stuff. You can also set it up yourself if you want. I think it's worth it to just have ZenBusiness do that for you. And then premium will get you some extra tools. For example, a website builder, they will get you business document templates, a domain name, a business email address, and premium support. So if you have some money to invest, it may be worth it for you. But in this tutorial, I'll just pick the pro plan right here. So then I'm going to click on Next. Now you can protect your personal assets with business banking. So it is always recommended to have a business bank account for your LLC so that if something happens to your LLC and you get into some kind of a debt, your personal assets will still be safe and only your business bank account assets can actually be taken. Because as you can see right here, a business bank account separates and protects personal assets. So that's pretty important. So you can add this banking or you can do it with the bank that you're already using. But I'll just click add banking. It's only an extra $5 per month. They can get tax write-offs, save money and get paid in one place. And this is their Money Pro products, so that can be helpful. It's an extra $30 per month and this will help you with your taxes. You can see their software finds an average of $5,600 in tax savings. On top of that, it will auto-track your expenses to maximize your year-end tax deductions, and you will create professional custom invoicing templates with your logo, plus offer more ways to get paid. I'll add this on. I think it's a good add-on, but you can decide for yourself. Now, if you don't have a website yet, you can add the website builder. I'll click no thanks. They can get organized and save time with the business documents. So this is a one-time $99. And this will include 25 document templates that were created by legal experts to help you run your business. So there's stuff like liability waivers, employment agreements, contracts, proposals, and more. So this can be really valuable. I'm going to add this on too. Now here, simply go and enter your info, so your first and last name, email address, and phone number. Make sure this right here is correct, so the company name, entity type, and the filing jurisdiction, and then just click continue to review order. Now in the top right, you will see that for me due today is $529, so that's the cost for me. Now if you don't have any add-ons and you literally don't have anything from ZenBusiness, then the only thing they will do is file it for you within 1 to 2 weeks, I think, and that will cost you $0. So you can do it completely for free, but I think some of these add-ons are definitely worth it. So now just go and pay for it, and then they will get started setting up your LLC, and in the package that I picked, it will only take 1 to 2 business days. So now you know how to use ZenBusiness to set up your LLC. Again, you can click on the link in the description to take you to the ZenBusiness LLC page. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.